everyone, welcome to Glittery Tales. If you're new here, my name is Amika, and if you've been there, welcome back. In today's video, I am gonna show this golden eye makeup look which you can wear on a wedding as a guest or a party too. So keep watch the video till end guys and subscribe my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting my makeup by reshaping the eyebrows with concealer, and today I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. I am using the same concealer on the lid too and blending with a damp beauty sponge. Today I am gonna use Huda Beauty Remastered eyeshadow palette. Taking this shade named Sandalwood as transition color and blending with a fluffy blending brush like this. Now I am gonna take this golden metallic shade named 24K. This is like a really beautiful golden shade. I'm using it on all over the eyelid to create the golden base. Took a clean blending brush, no product on it, blending the edges well so the matte shade and metallic shade melt together. Now taking this dark brown shade named Cocoa, applying on the outer V and on the crease line to define more. On the lower lash line, I am using the same shade we used before named Sandalwood to give the same warmth, just like we have in the crease line. Now I am taking this pencil from MAC Padma. It's a duo color pencil, and today I am gonna use this golden shade on the waterline. Now applying the mascara on the lashes from MAC. Today I am gonna use these falsies from PAC in the size M72. And our eye look is complete. If you like the tutorial, hit the like and share, and don't forget to subscribe guys and press the bell button for updates. You can follow me on FB, Instagram. I have put the link below on the description box. So see you soon with a new one. Till then, stay glittery. Bye bye.